Okay, so for this week's instructional technology assignment, we were supposed to go through the digital citizenship training that Google has, and this is the badge I received, as well as pick a topic that aligns with our grade level, um, going along with internet safety. And since I am currently doing my internship in eighth grade, I thought it would be appropriate to discuss relationships and communication, because at that age it is very you're just learning about the internet, you want to communicate with people, social media you're getting really involved in, with all the different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can connect with anybody from across the world. Um, so when I was researching my different websites, I really focused in on those particular, um, or the relationship and communication aspect of it. So the first website that I found that I really like is Carnegie Cadets, and this is a great website for teachers. There is a lot that, like, lessons, activities, PowerPoints, so many things that you can, videos, so many things you can use in your classroom to teach internet safety. And it's not just relationships and communication. There's also, emails, cyber threats, cyber crime, so many different netiquette, so many different topics. But it also has a lot of really good lessons for relationships and communication. For example, you could fit cyberbullying into that. You could fit website dangers into that. Um, and rooms and instant messaging for communication. So, for example, you can download the PDF, and here is a whole lesson plan that you can use and share with your students, to activities to learn more about that. The second website that I chose, um, Digital Communication and PBS. This is another great website. Well, PBS in general is a great website, but they have a specific tab for digital communication where it will give you the grade levels, which really this applies to all grade levels, but I thought especially in eighth grade at that age could really be useful. There's so many different videos, and you can filter by grade, you can filter by type of lesson, if you want like a document, web page, a lesson plan, and relevance, popularity, or newest. So this is also just a great website to get resources to teach your students about internet safety. And the last website I have is Common Sense Education, Digital Citizenship Curriculum, and they also have a whole, like, they filter by grade, so middle school 6, 7, 8, and they have a whole section for relationships and communication, learning about sexting and all those different kinds of fears that you have, or parents and teachers have, just to keep their kids safe. And it tells you exactly time estimates and all of that. And I think that these are really useful, and can be used in almost any classroom, but like I said, especially in eighth grade. And it is so important that students today are safe and mindful of the relationships that they form online. Anyone with access to a digital device can contact someone anywhere in the world. It is vital as educators that we teach young students how to communicate effectively and safely. As a future eighth grade English teacher, I know that students at this age are participating in social media, chat rooms, and other forms of online communication. And I really think that these three sites provided are reliable for teaching students about digital citizenship and effective communication. And it can be used not just in the classroom, but it can also be used at home. And it's really important that we continue to educate students on internet safety and communication.